What's up, guys? Hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back with your boy DC Effects. Okay, so today we're basically going to look into how to use key levels to support out your entry. Okay, basically key levels entry strategy. Okay, so we need to start key levels out. Basically, need 2 to 3 touches. You are good to go. 2 touches in the present, then history back again, 3 touches or two. Okay, so once it's 2 or 3, once it's more than 3, it's well expected. But hope we can see this now. This market, this AUD, USD. Let's quickly move. Okay, market reacted at this zone, reacted again. You see that then over to this side, market has been busy rejecting. And so it's a valid key level, okay? It's a valid key level. So remember, do your top-down analysis. You analyze market from the higher time frame to the lower time frame where you pick your entry. Okay, so let's zoom in or let's spot more key levels you can see. Market tapped at this zone. Follow my question. First touch, second touch, third touch, and then let's spot it out. Okay. Basically, we have seen a market out return back to it. Okay. So when market gets into this key level, don't just sell or buy. But for traders that are in a rush, you know what I'm saying, start buying from this zone. Okay. But remember this higher time for 1 month forward. So what do you do? Move out 1 week time frame. Okay. So as we are now in 1 week time frame, let's look at the market and what it's going to do. Okay. So now you've seen how market has been busy rejecting. Market reached this zone. Follow me, let's watch this. Market decided to reach at this high and react all the way down. Okay. Now what do? We also expect this market to come back and react the way down. Okay, so this also again, remember what I said, 2 to 3 touches, we are good to go with it. So these two now, we are good to go with the level. So you spot it out. You spot the level out. You spot this out also. You could see that. So let's continue checking our levels. Market tapped again. So the level is not valid. Okay, so let's now dive in on the inner chart. Okay, so let's take a look at what's going on in the one day time frame. We are just putting our levels at the 1 week time frame. Okay, move down to 1 day. So from the 1 day time frame, you can probably see a whole lot of things going on in 1 day. So what do you basically do? We also spot out key levels, strong ones, okay, which is no market has rejected a whole lot of time. Look at this level, look at this level, the market has been busy. Market reacted, okay. Hope you could see what has happened there. Market tapped, rejected down, tapped again, rejected down, and broke it, retested, moved up, retested, and before trying to break it down. Okay, so now what we have seen how we are detailing our charts, okay, through spotting out the key levels and how we're going to pick our entries. Let's take a look at what's going on here. Market has been busy rejecting. Then at this zone, market decided to Okay, this is your market down, pull back. Hope you could see this rejection. Market tapped, pulled all the way up, came back, tapped again, pulled all the way up, then broke, we texted now. So this is a good position for us to start going for a buy. But what do you basically do? Okay, can pass it through rejections. Then what do you basically do here? When market has broken all the way down, which you probably see, it broke all the way down, pulled back up, start moving down. So that is it for this. So now you go to 4 hours time frame to keep spotting out your entry. So from 4 hours time frame, what you basically do is, if you want to also keep spotting your levels, you could probably keep doing that. Spotting your levels where market has been rejecting as this level, market rejected here, 1, 2, tapped. Okay, so this level is well respected. Okay, so that's it. Okay, first touch, second touch, then at the past history, first touch, second touch, fourth touch, fifth touch. Okay, so this is a strong key level. And over here now, so you really spotted first touch and second touch, third touch, which you could see this touch and this zone here, here, over here. And look at what just happened over here too. Market created and a head and shoulder pattern. I was still identifying or still gonna be dropping strategy, entry strategy that I'm about to show you now. But that's not our main purpose for this video. The main purpose for this video is to spot out key levels. But I will also, if you also stick around with the channel, I will also spot or post for us